20 points, and Team B yet to open up their scores.
Those are the participants who have been selected through the My Ganga app. You also have a chance to participate in this quiz by answering a question which will be shown towards the end of the program. Please read the question and send your answers on the link shown on the screen. Your answers must reach us by 5 p.m. on the coming Wednesday. The names of the winners chosen by a computer draw will be presented on the coming episodes of the series. Special prizes will be given to winners with the right answers.
Jaya Jaya Ganga, Jaya Jaya Ganga, nahi rukenge, hum swachh karenge. Tu yug yug se behti aayi, tune hi humko paala.
Ganga quiz. Okay, after that absolutely mesmerizing performance from Team C and a good performance from Team A and a not as much expected performance from Team B, we have come to round number 3, which is called the rapid fire round. And as you know, what happens in such rounds is going to be rapid and it's going to be fiery. As far as the point system is concerned, for each question that you get right, you get 10 points. And in totality, we have 5 questions in this particular round. That makes it to a total of 50 points in the end. So guys, even if we didn't perform that well in the last round, this is the time to move ahead.
And here's your first question, Team A. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Namami Gange's funding is shared between states and centre in a 50-50 ratio. True or false?
It is false.
Why do you say it is false?
Because the sharing between state and center is 30:70.
Well, your answer is correct. It is false, and I'll give you the 10 points for your answer, but your explanation is not correct. Namami Gange is 100% centrally funded. Here's your next question. The National Ganga Council, constituted in October 2016, is headed by?
It is headed by Honorable Prime Minister of India.
Very good. Again, a right answer, and you pick up 10 more points in this round. Team A, you have started on a good note. Here's your third question. Which toxic element is commonly found in old water pipes?
Come on, Team A, you're doing well.
Arsenic?
No. The answer is lead. Lead can enter drinking water when service pipes that contain lead corrode. Can we go on to your fourth question?
Yes.
Alright, so here it is. Which tributary of Ganga flows the most before it merges into it?
Come on, Team A.
No, that's again a wrong answer. Anyone in Team B or C? B? No. Yamuna is the right answer, Team C. Yamuna originates from Yamunotri Glacier, then continues to flow for 1,376 kilometers before merging into Ganga at Allahabad. Team A, here is your last question. In which state is the Bhimbar Wildlife Sanctuary situated? In which state is the Bhimbar Wildlife Sanctuary situated?
I think it's Bihar.
And you think absolutely right. That is the correct answer.
You pick up
Congratulations.
10 more points and you ended up picking up 30 points in this round. Well done, Team A.
Team B, ready for the set of questions?
Yes.
Okay. Question number 1. Hepatitis is a viral waterborne disease. Which organ of the body does it affect?
It is liver.
Oh yes, that is correct. 10 points to you. Congratulations. Question number 2. River Ken is a tributary of which river? River Ken is a tributary of which river?
Damodar. River Damodar.
You think that's right?
It's just a wild guess.
Just a wild guess? Well, it's not that wild and it's not the correct one because the right answer is Yamuna. The Ken River is one of the major rivers of the Bundelkhand region of central India and flows through 2 states, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. It is a tributary of the Yamuna. Alright, question number 3 for you. Which is the first state to ban angling, an activity that involves catching fish using hooks and releasing them back in rivers and streams?
Uttarakhand.
That's correct. You get 10 more points. That's absolutely right. Alright, question number 4 for you. 20 points so far for team 2. After which prominent leader of the freedom struggle has Rajaji National Park been named?
It is Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
That is incorrect. The right answer is C. Raja Gopalachari. So your very last question, team 2, team B. Bihar is the 4th state river. Ganga enters before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. Is this statement true or false?
It is false.
What is the correct answer?
It is the 3rd state.
This is absolutely scintillatingly right. Give them a hand, guys. Alright. 30 points for Team B. This is absolutely correct. Bihar is the 3rd state and Jharkhand is the 4th state. With this, we go to Team C.
Team C, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Here's your first question. From which city on the bank of Ganga did King Ashoka rule over his Magadha empire?
It's Patna. Earlier Patliputra.
Absolutely right. That's the way to answer. Patna, earlier Patliputra. Great. You pick up 10 points here. Your second question. In which state is the Udwa Lake Wildlife Sanctuary situated?
So we'll go for Uttarakhand.
Then that's a wrong answer. The answer is Jharkhand. Udwa Sanctuary is situated in Sahibganj district in Jharkhand state. Team C, here's your third question. Name the method employed to disinfect drinking water at the municipal level. It's chlorination. Team C, you have been able to answer only one question. There are 2 more questions to go. Let's see how you perform there. So here is your 4th question. Every 12 years, Kumbh Mela is held in Varanasi. True or false? Did I hear?
False. False.
False is the right answer. You pick up 10 more points. And that is because the Kumbh Mela is held along Ganga in Hardwar, Godavari in Nasik, Shipra in Ujjain, and Sangam in Allahabad. Here's your next question. Which organization is tasked with developing and maintaining the system of national waterways in India?
So public or private?
Which organization?
So I'm passing.
You're passing it, there's no clue. Alright, anyone? Team A, Team B?
National Waterways Authority of India.
Slightly off the mark, but good enough, very good. In India, the Inland Waterways Authority of India formulates policies for and develops and maintains an extensive system of national waterways. With that, we come to the end of the rapid fire round for our 3 teams.
But,
Not for Team D. Yes.
so girls, are we ready to rock? Yes? Okay. Let's show these boys that girls are no less, alright? Okay. So let's see.
So in that case, I'll ask you all the questions. Alright? Because
Because,
she's already supporting you.
hey, I'm
Well,
supporting
anyway.
them as well.
Well, anyway, go ahead, Priyanka.
We can alternate if you want.
No, go ahead, go ahead.
In which city is the Curzon Bridge situated over River Ganga?
Allahabad.
That's correct! Amazing! Yes! The bridge connects Allahabad with Papamau from Teliaganj area over River Ganga. Let's see, question number 2 for you girls.
What about their points, Priyanka?
10 points and 10 hugs from me, alright, at the end of the show. In which state is the Govind National Park situated?
It's Varanasi.
That's incorrect. Okay, she wants to answer.
Rajasthan.
2 times wrong. Well, the right answer is Uttarakhand, girls. So, ready for the next question? Yes. From which country is cholera said to have originated? It's a disease. Africa? No. Well, the correct answer?
India.
India is the correct answer. And do you know the birthplace of the disease? Where exactly did it originate? You know, the clue was in my question itself. I said it's ironic. We're talking about Meri Ganga quest. We're talking about cleaning and transforming India via cleaning Ganga. Well, it originated in the Ganges itself. So isn't it ironic? The Ganga that's supposed to be our mother is full of all these toxins and diseases and corpses. But we are here to change it, right? We're here to change it, right? Yes? Okay. So question number 4. The train Prayagraj Express runs between Allahabad and which city? Uttar Pradesh? No. ABC? Delhi? That is the correct answer, yes.
New Delhi.
New Delhi to be precise. Not bad. It was a guess. The very last question for you girls is Brahmaputra is the longest river traveling within India. Is this a statement true or false? False. Everybody, is it false? Yes. And it is
the end of the third round, which was the rapid fire round, Team C still leads. They stand at 80 points, with Team A come up to them with 50 points and Team B at 30 points.
Are you guys not happy about it? Why don't we give them a huge round of applause? As I always say, picture abhi, baaki hai mere dost. And that's why we still have time to make up for the lost points, alright? Because one more round to go, that is the last and final round, that will decide your destiny, whether you become a part of the final series of questions or not.
Welcome back to the Meri Ganga quiz, the fourth round, which is an audio-visual round. At the end of this round, we will have found our two semi-finalists. That means the two winners of this round go into the semi-finals, and there they will meet up with the other semi-finalists to battle it out for a position in the finals, where we are looking to find our national champions. The national champions are going to walk away with a prize money of 1 lakh rupees, Priyanka.
Yes. And the first runner-up walks away with rupees 50,000 in cold hard cash, and the second runner-up walks away with rupees 25,000.
So let's move on. Go into our fourth round, which is an audio-visual round. Teams, we will play an audio-visual clip or show you a picture, and then we'll give you a question which you'll have to answer, and if you answer it correctly, you pick up 20 points. So Team A, here is your picture. Please look at it very carefully before I ask you your question. Okay, so here's your question. Identify this personality who was born in a village on the confluence of River Ganga and River Ganga.
Come on, Team A.
While guesses have worked for you, anyone in Team B or C?
Yes.
The audience?
You want to answer, right?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
No. The answer is Jai Prakash Narayan, popularly referred to as JP or Lok Nayak, was an Indian independence activist and political leader, remembered especially for leading the mid-1970s opposition against Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, for whose overthrow he called a total revolution. He was born at Sitab Diara at the confluence of two rivers in district Chhapra, Bihar.
Team B, you've got to listen to a song that we are going to play for you, and then we will put the question forward to you. So this song was extremely popular back in the days and was sung by late Mukesh. Can you identify the film? What is the film's name?
Ganga.
Ganga was a very recent film, and there was no film that was as classic by the name that goes with Ganga. We Team C and Team A, no way, you've given up. It's a very old song out of your area of expertise. Team C, come on, you're a musical person. I expect you to answer at least. Do you listen to old songs, Richard?
Yes, I do, but I just forgot its name.
You know, it's funny because the clue is in the song itself. Yes, girls? You want to say it together? Everybody? What is it called? जिस देश में गंगा बहती है उसका नाम है भारत, and the answer is absolutely सही. Give yourself a big Round of applause. It is a 1960 Hindi feature film directed by Raghu Karmakar and produced by the author Raj Kapoor. The film stars Kapoor, Pran and Padmini in lead roles. You guys can Google about it later on if you're that curious, I must say. Alright?
Here's a picture for Team C. Take a good look, Team C. And then I'll give you your question. This temple was last rebuilt and restored to its glory by the Queen of Indore, Rani Ahilyabai Olga. Can you identify it?
So I'm guessing it's Ganga temple.
No, that's a wrong answer. Anyone Team A or B? Or the audience once again? Alright, so the right answer is Kashi Vishwanath Temple, which is one of the most famous Hindu temples dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is located in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh in India. The temple stands on the western bank of the holy river Ganga and is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, the holiest of Shiva temples.
The very last question of the 6th quarter-final of Meri Ganga quiz is for my girls. And let's see. This is one of the longest cable-stayed bridge in India over river Hooghly. Can you identify it by its name?
Ma'am, it's Howrah Bridge.
Oh, that's incorrect. Gosh, yes. Curzon Bridge. Very way off. No. Okay, boys.
Ravindra Setu.
What would you say?
Jawaharlal Nehru Setu.
Okay, myriad of answers, none of them unfortunately true. The right answer is, well, this show is all about Aapko Vidya Dena and it is called Vidya Sagar Setu. You remembered it just now. It's extremely popular back in West Bengal, also known as the second Hooghly Bridge. It is a toll bridge over the Hooghly River in West Bengal, linking the cities of Kolkata and Howrah. Alright, with that, we come to the end of the very last round of this particular contest, the Meri Ganga contest. And what does the scoreboard say?